Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be briefly showing you how to use the advanced stochastic scalper for MT5. Now as you can see, this indicator gives you precise buy and sell signals. Okay, you have the indicator window, all right, which shows you the oversold and overbought territories with your stochastic line, crossing above the oversold, giving you buy signal, crossing below the overbought, giving you sell signal. In addition to that, you also have your arrows, the green upward arrow giving you buy signal, the red downward arrow giving you sell signal. So the combination of these two, um, gives you your signals, whether for a buy trade or a sell trade. Now, unfortunately, this indicator is for sale, all right, on the MQL5 marketplace, but there is a free demo for you to try out. Okay, I recommend that if you want to make any financial commitment for any indicator, you should always test it first in the free demo to know if the indicator at least gives good signals, all right, before you consider making any financial commitment. All right, now we can see that based on the descriptions of this indicator, it actually functions with the arrows and also have an alert. Okay, just like I already explained in terms of the arrows, right? And also have an alert that triggers, allowing you to open a position in the timely manner. Okay, so these are the indicator parameters. Of course, you can be able to modify, the values for your stochastic values, right? The stochastic setting, the period, you can be able to modify it, whether you want the indicator to respond faster to price changes or slower to price changes, you can, modify that. And then you can see we have the slowing, the method, the line mode, alerts. You can enable or disable alerts. Okay, if you want to get alerts, you ensure that it is enabled. Okay, and then you can see the email, the push, and the rest of that, arrow size, the buy color, and the sell color for your arrows. You can modify these settings. All right, now in the description you're going to have the link to this the Forex Geek website. You can get some more description here, and then you can click on this to download the folder that contains the file that's going to lead you here, right? So this is it for the advanced stochastic scalper. All right, if you want to make the financial commitment, I need to emphasize on that. Ensure that you have tested it on the free demo first, and you have to be comfortable with what you see before you proceed to making any financial commitments. That is if you decide to proceed. All right, there are many other free indicators out there which you can try out. Okay, so do not be pressured to go for the one that is not free. Okay, so that is it, guys, for this video. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one. In case you're not yet subscribed to this channel, just click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more videos like this, educative videos and explanation of indicators and everything Forex. Okay, cheers, and see you in the next one.